furniture production solution, Mars is your #1 choice. Hello, nice to meet you. This is Benson. Welcome to Mars workshop again. I'm glad many customers told me that it's an effective way to introduce machine in such a way, because customers cannot come to China and cannot visit our factory. So they say it's a good way to know a machine from us very clearly. Today I'm gonna introduce you a woodworking machine, Mars XE300, nesting CNC machining center. Mars XE300 machining center is designed for wooden cabinet. It can do cutting, engraving, milling, drilling, grooving jobs. It depends on what customer needs. It can do for MDF, Acrylic, PVC board materials. With easy operation, a competitive price, and simple jobs, Mars XE300 is your best choice. Now let's see the details of the machine operating. Now we turn on the machine here. Here is the turning switch. And we use a standard control system from Taiwan. It's easy operation, and don't worry about language. It's fully English version. Okay. We may wait for some minutes. Okay, let's see some main spindle. This machine have two spindles, high power air cooling spindle. One is 6 kilowatt and another is 4.5 kilowatt. It depends on different jobs of needed. And with the air dust collector can make the working area clean. And this is the drilling head made from Italy. It's original brand, not copy, not fake. It saves the working efficient, and also can do 9 drilling in one time. It has 9 heads. It's 5 plus 4 drilling head. And it is imported Taiwan guide rail and ball screw, high precision and good efficient. And this is a working table, vacuum working table. Have the high vacuum ability, can absorb different materials. It is just the basic of this machine. And now it's imported from Taiwan standard control system. Is easy operation. You don't need to have a skilled engineer. You can just make a simple training of your workers or employees, because it's very easy. Now let's show you. You see now Chinese the language is English, it's Chinese. We can change the language. So here, parameter setting, and have many selection here. We can have language here, and we choose English is 0, Chinese 1. Put 0, enter. Have a passport, enter. And everything is English. Now if you need to operate with machine, you need the file. And some files we already have in the system, but if you want a new file, you have the USB and have here. Just put it here. This is the retain and program, file manager, and file transfer, file import, and you will have the file here. And open it. And files here, you will select, and we already have this file here, so we don't need to copy. We select, copy. Okay, now in this step when all files imported from in this system, and you can when files here, you do the program, file manager, find the file what you want to make, and selecting by the menu here. First one make execute, and change to auto, and then starting. See, it's starting now. The machine engraving or cutting. And now do the drilling jobs. It depends on the wooden cabinet requirement. Some wood cabinet need to do by several drilling heads, and some need just one or two pieces. It is fully automatic change. Okay, now finished. It's just easy, simple testing. And we also have the jog mode. We have a jog mode. Then you can move, slowly moving, and then fastly moving. This is jog mode, and this is auto moving. Okay, sorry, we need to go back. Now we're testing the position cylinder. When we push position cylinder here, and it will help to make the panel better position. And this is the vacuum table. You see now, it's very hard to make it off because it is by the vacuum area. You can see here. This is a vacuum area control. It is off. This is on, and when you off, it will easy to put off, and it will put on. It's not easy to take it off with a high absorption capacity. With a high vacuum capacity, it can absorb different size materials here. And now I will show you the MPG handwheel mode. When we push here, and now we want to removing very slowly here. It's very easy to operation by the hand wheel, because this is hand wheel mode and cannot very fast. Okay, just testing. Okay, this video is showing the introduction of this machine, and this machine can add the auto loading system. If you want to add, and it will help you to save the labor cost and high efficiency. If you want to learn more video configuration about this machine, you can visit our website www.marscnc.com. And if you like my videos, you can subscribe my YouTube channel, and hope you have a nice day. Bye bye. Bye bye.